Wow, that looks amazing right there. Look at that. How's everyone doing? Welcome back to another video here in Okinawa, Japan. Beautiful weather right now. Cloudy, a little sunny, not too humid today. But we're here, and I'm not sure what this restaurant is called, but it looks pretty good. I know the first floor, they have a huge like sweets factory. You could get the sweet potato, just chocolates. There's like this lemon cake. And this is the second floor. It looks pretty good. And really nice over here, good setup. The view that I just showed you, you can see it from, like, there's a huge window like right here. And it looks pretty nice. I ordered up some sashimi, some, what is it called? Fish, sea grapes or something like that? I forgot, it's green, I know that. Always wanted to try it, so we're gonna finally try it today. Just ordered. So I'll show you guys the food when it comes, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so everything ended up coming. We got the sashimi, there's some egg, cucumber, looks like tomato, ginger, soy sauce, I'm not too sure, and there's like ramen in there, like soba, more thicker noodles, and wasabi. So this looks amazing. We're gonna try it out. Whew, I'm excited for this. Alright y'all, so I finally came, and this thing looks like, it looks spectacular. Like, look at this. Gotta focus in, but it looks fabulous. Look at that. So we're gonna pair it with some wasabi, and I'm excited for this. Let's go for it. You don't even have to chew it. It's so tender, so fresh too. That thing is, it's really good. I think it was frozen because I think it's thawing out right now, but it is amazing. Alright, so next, the thing I've been waiting for this whole time, sea grapes. I don't think that's gonna focus, but I've always been wanting to try this one, so we're gonna go for it. Not too much flavor, but it like pops in your mouth. It's a little salty, but honestly, it's really good. Kind of tastes like the ocean a little. That's the only thing I could describe it. It like pops in your mouth when you chew it. It's like crunchy a little. Honestly, it's really good. Not too bad. I'm glad I tried it. But next we got some like soba ramen. See how much thicker that thing is? It looks good. We're gonna try this out. That is hot. That burned my tongue. The soba noodles itself, not too much flavor in it. It's a really simple. It's just onions. I guess it's like a fish stock broth type of thing. Pretty good. Not too bad for, I think this in total was 1,400 yen. So probably like 12 bucks. Honestly, a good price for all this. Really good price. But it does, yeah, here it is. Came with some rice in the bottom, so we're just gonna try that with some sea grapes. Wow, it pairs so together, so well together. The rice, it's real fresh. You could tell it's real fresh, not too sticky, but it does have some seaweed in it. Let that focus. Oh, they all fell, but Really good, honestly. Really cheap too, so I'm glad. But I think my favorite thing so far, I forgot which piece I ate, but there's two different types of pieces here. So we're gonna try whatever piece this is. I'm not sure. I'm not used to the different types of fishes yet. We're gonna put some rice with that, and can't even get it together. There we go, some rice, the fish, and sea grapes. Yeah, by far I think this has got to be my favorite piece so far. That is real good, tender. You barely even have to chew in it, melts in your mouth. That's probably one of the best pieces I've had. A little cucumber, fresh in the palate, but honestly a really good dish. Nothing bad to say about it. Maybe change up the soba a little, put a little more flavor in it. But they do have like vinegar and chili powders over here, so I'll probably add some. But it's really good. It's a real simple, easy dish. And would I get again? Probably. Probably try out some different sashimis around here, but it's a really simple, easy dish. And nothing bad to say about it. Really good. But I think what took it off, like the best thing, probably the sea grapes. I never tried it before. Just different. Really good. Simple, but I didn't expect it to taste like this at all. But that's probably gonna be it for today. Pretty like easy video. Just short, easy. Show you the scenery around here. But you definitely have to try out this place whenever you come. They have other options too. This is the menu right here. They have like the ramen, taco rice, some curry. Yeah, they got everything basically. A lot of desserts too, but I gotta stay away from the desserts. But yeah, so honestly this is a really good place. I'll leave in the description, and definitely have to come out. You gotta try this out. Honestly, real good, real cheap, and nothing bad to say. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Just make sure you like the video, subscribe, leave any comments in the bottom, and I'll reply to you as fast as possible. This is the place you gotta go, I'm telling you. But that's it. Like, subscribe, do your thing, and come visit beautiful island of Okinawa. So that's gonna be it for today, and I'll probably see y'all maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. We'll see how it is, but alright, I'll see you guys pretty soon. Stay safe, stay humble, stay out of trouble. See ya.